So hello guys and welcome back into my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make a 12 watt battery with lithium ion cells. So let's get started. So firstly we will check how many watts these lithium ion cells are containing. So firstly I will check this. Now we will connect the probes to the negative and the positive terminal. So first one is giving approximately it is giving no volt, so we will keep it aside. And this one is giving 3.66 volts, as you can see. This second one is giving 3.38, and the last one is giving 1.94. So it is not working, so we will remove this soldering from it, or we will do the soldering. So I am doing the soldering. So now I am checking the voltage it is giving. Connecting the terminal probe from the positive and the negative terminal, giving no voltage. So we'll keep it aside. Now firstly we will take these three and we will do the soldering on the terminals. So you can see, firstly we will take some paste and apply on the terminals. So I have applied, you can see, and taking the negative terminal also, we will also do the soldering on the negative side. So also done the soldering on the negative side, and now taking the second battery. Done the soldering on the negative terminal, and now taking the positive terminal. Done on the both sides. Now taking the third battery. Done, and taking this side. Now what you have to do is take the negative side of one battery and take the positive side of another battery and connect it with hot glue gun or whatever thing you have. So I'm connecting it with this hot glue gun. Now I have connected this. So I will also use the dead battery, or you can for making the 12 volt battery, as we need 4 watts, because these all are containing 3 watts in it. Okay, so I will take 2 more batteries because it is not giving any voltage. So I will take one more because I have already one with me. Now take this type. I have taken the wire and done the soldering on it. Now I will do the soldering on both the sides of both the terminals. So firstly taking the negative, wait a minute. Now I will adjust it here and taking this one and done. So you can also do the soldering. So firstly I will join it here. So done, and I will also do the soldering on the negative terminal. So taking the negative terminal, so guys, you can see that I'm doing the soldering. So as you can see, I've done the soldering on both the terminals. Now I will cut the wire. You can see that soldering is done on both the terminals. Now as you can see, I have rotated. Now I will also cut the wire, extra piece of wire. So I have cut it. Now I will see what how many volts it is giving. So taking the multimeter, as you can see, it is giving 5.60 volts. So now I'm taking the third cell. Now firstly I will join both the batteries with the hot glue gun. And applying the hot glue gun on both the sides. So I have applied the hot glue gun on both the sides, as you can see. Now I am taking the third cell and also applying the wire on it that I have soldered. Done. Now as you know that we have to cut it, so I am cutting the extra wire that is not needed. Done. So I am joining it, as you can see. So guys, we have joined both the terminals. Now for joining it, जिसको कहते हैं ना पक्का join करना, तो हम I am applying the the paste, or you can see the whatever it is called, soldering wire. Now as you know, we will cut the extra wire, as we don't need it. Now I have cut the wire, as I am rotating. Now guys, I will apply hot glue gun on it. Applied the hot glue gun on it. On the second side also applying hot glue gun. So guys, as you can see, I have applied make this battery. Now as you know that we have to join both these terminals, and as we have to join both the terminals, so I am joining the battery like this. With the positive and the negative terminal. So guys, also applying the silicone on this side. So as you can see that I'm joining. So guys, see that I have joined. Now we will connect the wires. So we will join this and this, then it will give approximately, as you know, 12 volts. Positive and negative connecting together. Done. Cut it, as you can see. Now we will join this one, only both the terminals, then it will give approximately about 12 volts, as I have told you. Now applying some solder paste on it. So now I will join. Done and done. So now I'm cutting the extra wire, as you know. So I have cut the extra wire. Now I'm bending it. Now as you know that this terminal will give 12 volts. Now I'm checking whether the battery is giving voltage or not. Checking the connections. Guys, now we have joined the, as you know that we have joined parallelly the negative positive and the negative positive. Now on the both upside we will join the negative positive of one side. You have to make sure that you do not connect the terminals same. You have to connect the terminals different for the different batteries. So now I have joined, as you can see. Now I will give it a output wire. So you can wait and watch. So guys, I have joined the output wires. Now I will show you how many volts it will give. Now I will connect the prop. So guys, as you can see that I have joined the prop, so it is giving approximately about 11.49. So it is not whole charge. On whole charge it will give approximately 12 watts and 10 amperes. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.